Hello, my name is Lynette and I'm known as the Stitch Witch. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple needle case and scissor case using a lovely technique called Sashiko quilting. Traditionally, Sashiko is done on a dark blue fabric and we used a white thread, so we're fairly traditional with this. This is the needle case. I've done a butterfly for the front, and on the back is a very traditional Sashiko design. Inside I have used Bright wadding. Why have I used that? Because it's brilliant for keeping your needles and your pins very, very sharp. So that's two little projects for you to do. If you want to have a go at this project, they are available. You get all the designs, you get the fabric, you get the Bright, you get the thread, you get the wadding, and also you get a Sashiko needle, so you can just buy one of these kits and off you go.